Okay, so here it is. The final intrusion on this. We put the old roofing back on. I don't know if we can see that real well. Ouch. Then we sheathe the inside of the shed. So any snow weight and stuff is going to be coming down on the roofing or on the sheathing instead. And it's pretty well secured. We got little gaps and stuff, but that's to be expected for these. Got a little gap there, but it's pretty well back into everything. Let's see, come around this side. And, you know, it's not great. Oh, there we go. It's not great. I mean, it's got wrinkles and bends and stuff in it. There's still some holes I have to patch right here. Here and here, over here and there. That's where the center section folded under and just ripped that beam, or ripped those screws out of the beam. Went up, finally got a new ridge cap. A lot wider, kind of covers all the really mangled ends of the steel panels. Screwed everything down with Tektite. But I mean, I think it's going to stand up. So initially we bought the shed for less than $300. It's on sale. And I've bought about $270 worth of materials to fix it. So if we would have spent $500 on a shed, instead we wouldn't have gone through this. We could have got from Lowe's, we could have got a 8x10, which is the same thing as this, same size as this, Rubbermaid shed. Oh, I got a panel over there sticking way up. They need to take down. Yeah, I can't quite see it. I got to work on that. So anyway, any questions? I'll try to answer. I didn't use as many. Let's hop down here again. Oh, yeah. Almost fell. The person that I saw that did their shed repair, they put these every 2 feet, but they were putting it just underneath their steel sheet. They didn't put the OSB down. But now that that's all down, I mean, and that one, I shook at the shed the other day and it doesn't do anything now. So there we are. Roughly 4 days, but a couple days were really didn't get much done. And yesterday was like 93 degrees. And again, like the panels and stuff were just too hard or too hot to touch. So that's it. We're done. Repairing the shed, the final chapter. Of course, if something else breaks, then we can make the new beginning. So anyway, I thank you for watching, if you do. if it was informative, you have any questions, anything like that, I'll try to get back to you. Or, any comments or anything. I hope it was somewhat informative. And I think that's going to be it. We're done. Throw a couple more things in here, close the doors, and that's it for this week on this thing. So, again, I hope maybe somebody got something out of this. And thank you for watching. And we'll see you with another project in the near future.